Assalamu alaikum. Myself Tanvir Rashid. Today I will show you how to recover a deleted page from Oracle Apex. When we work on Oracle Apex, sometimes we deleted any page mistakenly. So we should know how to recover that page. So I have created this demo page to show you how I will recover that page. Okay, see this page number is 10 and its name is demo delete tax. Okay, I have I already have run this page, but I want to show you again. Okay, so this is my page number 10 and the page name is demo delete tax. Let me again run the page. Okay, you see that page. Now what I'll do, I will delete this page. Okay, let's delete the page. I'm clicking delete page. Okay, here you see this page number is 10. Here also you can see the page number is 10. Permanently delete page. Yes. Okay, I have deleted the page. You can see here page deleted, and now I have to now I have to um, take something in consideration. Like when I deleted the page, see 7:23 p.m. So I have to know the time because I am going to recover that page, I need to mention how long before I have deleted the page. Then we can recover the page. Okay. Now see, we are in number page one. Okay, let's wait some minutes. Then I will start showing how to recover the page. So I have point out some steps to recover the page. First, we'll go to our application. Okay, then what we'll do? We'll create a blank page. Then we'll give the page number. See, the page number is 10. So the blank page number should be 10. The page name we try to give the same name that the 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 page was deleted. We'll give the same name. Okay. Then we'll go to app builder. Then we'll go to app builder. When we go to app builder, we'll find export or import. We'll click at export. Then we'll go to navigation bar and click paste. From the page number, we'll select the page that we deleted. So in this context, we'll select the page number 10. Then in that here you will show another option that says as of dash minutes ago. So in this place, we'll mention how long before we have deleted the page. Okay, then we'll export the page and then we'll go to the app builder and import the we'll go to the app builder and import. This time we'll import that page. Then 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 we'll click import and we'll have the deleted page again in our application. Let's it's already 4 minutes left. Let's start the process. First, I already have deleted the page. Okay, so now I'll go to my app builder. Okay, I already have in app builder version. So what I will do now, I will click export import. Now I already have choose export option. Click next. From here, you see here is the page option. We'll go to this page option. See, here is another option. It says page. We'll select the page number, right? I don't have that page, right? You see, I don't have that page. Let me refresh. The page number was 10 that we deleted. So what I will do, at first I will go to my application. Then I will create a page. It should be blank page, so I'll give the page number 10 because my deleted page number was 10, and I'll select the name is demo delete tax. See, it is page number 10, but while I just copy the name, let me copy the when I refresh the page has gone. Okay. Okay, so I give the same name, demo delete tax, create page. Say I have created the page. Let's run the page. See, I don't have any data. Okay, but my previous demo data tax page has some data. Okay, let's now now I'll show you how to recover the page. Okay, let's refresh it again. Uh, So how I have came here, you already know that we have to go to app builder, and from that from there I have to click export and import. Then I have to click export, and then we'll come to this space. So now I have to select page number 10 because and the previous deleted page number was 10 and its name was demo delete tax. Okay, so see, I have to mention the time it was deleted, so it almost 6 minutes 7 minutes, so I will select it here 8 minutes. As of 8 minutes ago I had the page, so I'll say, let me, for safety I'll give it 10. Let's export the page. So it is already downloaded. See, let's go to again. Now I will import the downloaded file. Now this time I'll click import and drag and drop from this. I'll select this file. The file I have downloaded, I'll select that. I select that file. So what I will do now, I will import the page. Now I'll click install page. Confirm replace place. Yes, replace place. Okay, page installed. Okay, run. See, I have recovered the page successfully. See, in this here we don't have the data. When I'll click refresh, it will show data. Okay, so in this way you can recover a deleted page from Oracle Apex. Sorry, for some reason I was not comfortable when I'm talking. Please forgive me for that reason. Next time I will try my best so that I don't have any issues when creating a video. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.